Say hi. Say hi, Tanya. Hi. You gonna wave? Say no. Well, little girl here is walking. She's gotten so big, she's walking around now. She'll toddle. Let me see if I can get her to do it. Oh, now, don't get upset with me. Well, come here. There she is. She's tired. Who's that baby? Say hi. Watch out, you'll turn it off, darling. Yeah.
Like this?
You want to give that baby hugs and kisses? Anyways, everything's doing really good over here. Let me see. This last week I went to Laramie to watch a friend of mine graduate. She had her Indian graduation ceremony. And so we went to Laramie and then over to Cheyenne and just made a little bit of a trip of it. And that was really nice. We really enjoyed it. We got back in time for Mother's Day. And Happy Mother's Day, by the way. And yeah. Now we're just hanging out. I'm actually running around job hunting, and the apartment next door is empty. It doesn't look like Gypsy Lee's going to move in. She wants to move somewhere else. She's, well, you know, she's a teenager. She doesn't want to live next door to Mom, so, which is too bad because I could babysit all the time. But she does not see the benefit of that, so, so we're trying to get it all ready for the next renter. I think I'm going to rent it to a girl named Lacey and her boyfriend, and I think they're going to get a roommate, so. Now we're going to rip up carpets and lay down wood laminate flooring and paint the walls and shampoo upstairs and do all that stuff. So, so we're keeping busy around here. Other than that, not much going on. School's done, so I'm done for the summer. I'm just, you know, playing with little girl now and taking care of the apartments and you know, doing my thing. It's been kind of, you know, it'll be sunny here and then rainy, but we're getting our spring rains, which I love. I love the rain. But, so everything's good here. You guys have lots of fun, and I will talk to you later. Is Grandma talking? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.